now have Jayashree Satagopan, CFO at Sun Pharma, now joining us. Ms. Satagopan, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. First up, let's talk about US sales of innovative medicines that has surpassed generics for the first time during the quarter. If you can tell us, do you expect the trend to continue going forward as far as this particular segment is concerned?
The US market has done well as far as the innovative medicines is concerned. As in the past, the focus of the company has been to promote and accelerate the growth of innovative medicines portfolio both in the US and in the global markets. And for the first time during this quarter, we have that the revenues from the innovative medicines in the US has surpassed the generics overall sales. Having said that, the focus for the company is to look into both innovative medicines and generics portfolio because both of them offer good opportunity to expand, and that will be the coming years.
Right, Ms. Satagopan, the US generic sales have also declined on a year-on-year basis. What are the potential reasons behind it, and what's happening with respect to tariff? Because we do understand that there is an overhang of tariffs as well.
As far as the US generic sales is concerned, we had a reduction in the sales mainly on lenalidomide compared to the Q2 of FY25, and a couple of other products also saw some higher level of competition. As far as the tariffs are concerned, there is still a great level of uncertainty. We believe that the generics would continue to be at a nil tariff. As far as the innovative medicines are concerned, the government has been getting into trade agreements with several countries, and we would have seen some announcements also being made in the last few weeks. 232 investigations are still in progress. We are awaiting the results, pending which we still see a level of uncertainty as far as the tariffs are concerned.
Okay, and since we are talking about tariffs, if you can tell us, is there a possibility that an agreement can be made with Sun Pharma too?
At this point in time, we have not been engaged with the government on the discussions. The government in the past had sent out their letters to 17 big pharma companies. We have not been part of it. As and when the right time comes in, we will be open to discuss this further with the government.
Ms. Satagopan, also, can we expect a double-digit growth in India to continue going forward?
We will continue to grow well in this market. The focus has always been on nurturing our strong brands, improving our prescriber base, and also engage very well with the community of prescribers, the doctors, the sales force that we have added in the past, and the focus on the key therapy areas have been giving us good results. And we continue to believe that these efforts will help us as we go forward.
All right, and Ms. Satagopan, let's also talk about your new launches. In the con call yesterday, you did tell us that company remains on track to launch Unloxit in the second half of FY26. Can you tell us how big an opportunity can this be for Sun Pharma going forward?
We are waiting for the FDA label-related approvals, and we are on track to launch Unloxit in the second half of the year. I think this will add meaningfully to our portfolio to address the specific patient requirements coupled with our other products that are addressing the onco segment.
Right. Ms. Satagopan, also R&D spends were at 5.4% versus the guided range of a 6 to 8%. What have been the factors at play here?
On the R&D front, we continue to spend on the projects that have been approved. There could be some ups or downs which are related to specific products, but overall we are on track both in terms of timeline and the products that we are continuing to go through the clinical studies. So for the full year, we do expect that the R&D spend could be in the lower end of the guidance that we have provided, which is about 6 to 8%, right?
Okay, so that's the outlook when it comes to what the financial trend could look like, and they've not approached the US government, at least when it comes to tariffs. That's the word coming in. Ms. Satagopan, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here